Okay. So I've had a realization. I may have bit off more than I could chew with uh this feature trying to build this out. I think instead of trying to aggregate so much data at one time, instead it may be a better idea to do one thing at a time. And I think I was trying to do too much, like unknowingly do too much at one time. So I'm probably just gonna go feature by feature, or like in places where I input data and work off of that. And then eventually I'll get to something like this. But to go from zero to this is too much of a leap because I'm kind of I'm kind of shooting. I'm How can I say it? I'm building each one of these out incorrectly by having AI do it. Like I had one of the complaints, my complaint about this thing, which is like I prompted it, so like I don't know, but still some of the key insights were very generic, and I still never really got the web search tool uh like finished. I was still getting example.com links, but I just think too much data was being put in here without purpose. So I'm probably going to go from here this way and then just have key insights, live key insights here to have it like truly be contextual, or at least try to be, and see how that goes. I don't know, I'm just like trying stuff out because like it's already in an okay place. The app is in an okay place, but I'm seeing where I can go to bring it to another level. So yeah, yeah. Let me see. Let me see something real quick. I just want to look at what this would give me, please. Yes. Huh? Oh. 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 Okay. Never mind. Um. There we go. Fine. Okay. I'm gonna bring this back, but I need to look through this to see where I can go because I have this open and I'm gonna plan on what needs to be done or what can be done instead of just like doing whatever comes to mind in real time. I'm just gonna plan it out by hand, then collaborate with Claude, and then go from there. So yeah, first things first, let's have to fix this thing. Um, maybe have this font be a bit bigger. Oh, let's do this. Nope. Uh, that's one thing is the CSS of it. Two, the next thing that comes to mind is uh figure out and this would be something like, okay, what I'm thinking about is, let's say, for example, this right here. Well, huh? Huh? Oh, what? No, no. Well, there's this. I mean, it's already kind of there. Some of them have a percentage and some don't. It may be, no, maybe here. No, no. It's on some of them where it'll say like 80% uptime or something. Um, okay, let me do this. So this is always on top. Easy. Uh, probably still would keep like downtime events as they are. Do do that. Which one is it? No, this one. Let's just do it. Yeah. Regarding downtime, I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I can do. Wait. Let's do that. Um, I want to see how something like that will be implemented. I may have to think longer about that. Um, hmm. I don't know. Like, this is more or less just going to be like a thinking out loud kind of thing. I just need to fix the CSS on this. Because if I go to settings, appearance, there will be a flashbang. Yeah. Mm, do that. And then I may actually make this smaller. And do it like that. And then also in here, this is really like past line reports. I forgot what I was gonna do. Oh, The heck is this? Where's this turning at? Wait, hold up. Hmm? Huh? I'm so confused. Alright, this is still doing it. Oh gosh. How long has this been muted? I think at the end of the day, just this just kind of like uncovers the fact that I'm not really using the problem feature as much as I should, but I also have to if I do use it more, I need to integrate a problem that's affecting the line like that day, whether it be low severity, medium or high, have it be a part of that line report. And that's more of a past line report thing than an active one. After this comes up with this, I'm probably gonna get off. I just want to see what it says. I think I already have my answer though. Mm. Oh, that's another thing. Sorry, that's another thing. Um, sorry, hold up. Sorry. Mhm, mhm, reads historical context, cool, and then calls it with the context and displays illustrations as cards. That may be too much for a small screen. Mm, okay. Use modified. There's that. Yes. Yes. Okay. I don't hate this one. Line down. Not a normal one. Creates with. Uh, okay. Future enhancement. Active line report. User create problem from node. This. This. Wait a second. Wait a second. This is the biggest one. Uh, this pre-fills with that, yes. Then the flow one. Okay, wait. I knew this was gonna be messed up. Can I copy without the formatting? Oh, this sucks. Uh, then it redirects to the problem form. We'll just keep it like that. And then flow one is this. Fade. Oh, okay. There is that. Saved with source tested. What? It's accepted. March true is successful. Kept the knowledge base. Include this as a proven remedy. I like this. This is the only one. How the context is aggregated. That's my first question. And two, uh, like it says displays 3 suggestions. I want these suggestions. I'm iffy on the whole like multiple suggestions thing. I like it. This is cool, but if it gives a suggestion, I want there to be step by step instructions on how to go about fixing a problem rather than just like saying something, say something, but give steps. That's the only thing is this one right here. And it all really flows back into this with how this is talking. This is just something to think about, something to chew on. Mm, I like the idea of it. But like I said, the app is currently in an okay state. It's just more or less streamlining things. So yeah. Um for AI, historical context for AI, data sources, similar problems with uh successful remedies, filter remedies, cool, line specific, line wide issues. I think this is the biggest implementation that I've made recently is saying that something is a line issue or a product issue. Line issue, line issue, line issue, line. I don't think I have it like really set here just yet, but I mean, that's the biggest improvement that I've made in a while that sets this whole thing up. Aggregation queries the last 50 similar problems. I kind of don't like this whole last 50. I think it should just do all of them, whether it be 2 or 200. There's all of them. Mm, nah, I don't think I'll do that. Make some discarded. Oh, I love this. I love this a lot. Semantic search, use embeddings for better. I like that a lot. Multi-language. Yes. Um, I don't like that one. And then remedy, effectiveness, prediction. Okay. I'm going to leave this alone for now. But as it stands, I like this. I'm just not coding it right now or having AI code this right now because it's a lot to undertake. So I think I may just start. Actually, wait. Is there a way to. This sucks. Is there a way to do this? Yes. Kind of. Eh. There's that. Now, attach a file, mention file from this project, switching plugins. Hmm. Hey, what's up, Pixel? How you doing? How you doing? I was just about to call it actually, but I'm not. The whole purpose of this was to just like think out loud and like figure out a way to improve how the app is current, like the user flow of this whole thing, and how the app thinks. Like I'm more or less just not. I'm evolving the app to be less. Yes, it'll still be a data aggregator, but with the data that has been like accumulated over time, have it think about the data that it's ingested and then give back good information to just get the flywheel happening. That's where I am right now. And I'm trying to figure out how to do it. I haven't cracked the code just yet. I mean, this is a step in the right direction, but first I have to do some more stuff before I start undertaking more AI stuff because I don't know if you caught it, but like in the last like couple streams, I've been trying to maybe not even couple. In the last stream, I was trying to figure out a way to aggregate data and then have AI analyze that and then give me something back to like learn whenever I'm not at work so that like whenever I get back I'll be even better. Something that'll like use this as like a knowledge platform. But I realize that I think this is shooting too big and I would rather have AI do something that's a little bit more smaller in scope rather than something that's as huge as this, especially on my first AI implementation. So I think I may go this route rather than this one. I don't know. And I realized like looking at the bill, I was scared to try and implement AI features. Man, this I'm not gonna say it's like dirt cheap, but as much as I've been like generating AI stuff, like it's not as expensive as I thought it was. Like it's all of the stuff that I've made, like 3 cents. Like it, I'm no longer scared about it anymore. Hey, what's up, Pro Evils? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? How you doing? You're on the right track, but perhaps you have to have the orders slightly mixed up. You would ingest your data and vectorize it in a database, then AI can search over it. Ye Yeah, that goes back to something that I saw in here. It was like something. Where was it? Hello? This. Like, wait, which one is it? This one. It all comes down to how much data and how big are the files it would have to analyze. Okay, like for example, um, like going back to here to finish the thought, it says query the last 50. I think that's like doing a disservice to what AI can do because like the power of AI is ingesting as much as you can. So like the AI or the context size wouldn't be an issue. The only issue with that would be cost. But like I just said, yeah. But um as far as me making one of these whenever I'm done with it, oh, the one I'm using Gemini and I'm able to uh, uh add videos or images if I want to. But If I were, because I have it to where I can download all this stuff in PDF format. So, for example, let's do this one. Let's download this, get info. The size of this is 16 kilobytes. And this is with, sorry, I don't have any images on this one. Let me look at one that has images on it, please. I don't think I have one here. Here, this has images and video. Hold up. So there's this. This has 19 kilobytes, but it's PDF. So, I mean, oh, uh, we can fix that. It has the ability to, but I think I would have to manually implement that myself. I haven't done that yet. It's going to be a new undertaking. But because I'm using Gemini, I'm able to read um videos. But it wouldn't necessarily be reading the PDF. The PDF is only for human readable stuff. Um what it's really reading is like my Firebase database. Because I'm using Firebase, I have the luxury of it just, oh, is this not built in? Just no, 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 no. It's not. No, 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 no. Not yet. Not yet. It's all a work in progress. This is why I'm just theorizing right now. But like I have the luxury of it not having to download stuff and do all types of other stuff. I'm able to just take it straight from my storage and then go from there. Like the raw videos and stuff like that, I can compress it if I want to. I can, or I don't have to if I don't want to, but it would probably be in my best interest to compress stuff because of cost. But I have all these folders and stuff that have media in it, and then this is like text-based stuff. Yes, it is NoSQL. I'm sorry. Yes, it's for my job. It's not like my job is making me do it. I'm doing it on my own. Because I just want to, one, get better, always get better, have that mindset of always getting better. But two, I want to fiddle around with using AI to make myself smarter or be more not okay, disregard what I just said. To make myself, I'll just go with what I just said. To make myself smarter regarding AI features, or a more intelligent way to say it is just to ingratiate myself in AI culture and see how it works front to back, because I can already build out in like a basic CRUD app. This is a basic CRUD app, but then to evolve it into something that is more of like a thinking tool or more of an assistant. That's really my long-term goal with this, is like because I'm in manufacturing, and manufacturing isn't like software engineering focused. I would use this more as like a superpower because I like technology. Use software to my advantage to have like a leg up on like other companies, boost my company up. Um, yes, yes. Like I'm in manufacturing, so like one, automation and stuff like that, but two, if we're able to aggregate data and learn faster than other companies, that would give us so much more. We would be able to innovate so much more and faster. This is where my brain is. So much more faster, one, than what we're accustomed to doing, but also faster than other companies are even thinking about. Oh, I make cooling tower material. So I don't know where you're from, but and I don't want to dox you, so don't say if you don't want to. But I make cooling tower material. So like there's this. Hey, what's up? Water ball. So this is like dealing with like water and stuff. Um, so this isn't big enough. Th- this may not be big enough to like. This is grainy. I'm sorry. It's this, but I don't know if you've ever seen anything like this, like in a hospital, not in a hospital, but like what runs outside of the hospital to like keep cool water flowing and everything, or data centers and stuff like that. Like something like this. This is what I make. So yeah. So I'm like AI adjacent, but not AI adjacent, if that makes sense. So yeah. I'm using AI to use more AI, which gives my company more business. What does water flow through it, or is it just? It's more like dissipating heat from the water to keep it cool. And a certain profile does this. Like this is a different kind of profile from this. So yeah, kind of. Sorry, my dryer is pretty loud, but yeah, that's just kind of where I am right now. Like I said, I'm probably not gonna be coding today. Uh, or does water flow on the exterior of? Okay, okay, wait. This can I zoom in? What the heck? Oh. This is too grainy. I'm sorry. Hold up. Let's. uh. Oh, it's cool. I know exactly which product this is. Still too small. I hate this. But please. Oh, thank you, Pixel. Thanks for coming. Um, it did, and I hope that the rest of the year is fruitful for you as well, and we'll catch up. And I hope that um my mic suggestion works out. I like it, even though I kind of I've been playing with this earlier in the stream, but that's more of just like me nitpicking. But yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll catch up with you soon. Catch up with you soon. Have a good day. Um, like these are called like the openings in here are called flutes. So like water flows through here and here. So yeah, like pipes, but not pipes. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Well. Um um I'm not implementing this, but I will come back to it. So uh let's go with that. And I'll just come back to it whenever
Oh,
oh, thanks
brother,
for the
this
follow.
guy stinks!
Um but yeah. I'm going to be back tomorrow. Oh no. Oh, I thought my stream crashed. But I'm going to be back tomorrow to do the rest of this and then get around to the AI stuff later in the week. But yeah, I keep on saying I'm gonna be more consistent, but like in the past month, I have been consistent with streaming. So I'll just be back tomorrow. Let's be back tomorrow. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Um I have work in about 5 hours, so we'll see how this thing goes. But yeah. Yeah. Peace.